What's up, man? So I got these new product from Curl Sponge. It's actually the Curl Sponge glove, and I'm finna try it on my head now. I've actually been growing out my fro for a little bit, so I'm gonna keep growing it till my birthday. So you'll kind of see it grow out throughout my videos, and pretty much it. I'm finna show you guys what it is that I use. Yeah, here we go. So the first thing that I use is a spritz bottle, a spray bottle, just with water in it. Spray that. So first I spray that. Then after that I pick it. It's the hard part, cause my hair is, I don't know the name of the textures and stuff, bruh. I just know this joint. Okay, so now I've got my hair picked out all the way. Now I can get to this, pretty much where I will start. If I was you, just that you can show the length of your hair while, you know, picking it out. I got the right hand one. It has little ridges. If you have the sponge brush, you know what I'm talking about. They're kind of closer to each other. Sometimes there'll be some brushes that'll have like bigger holes, and only that'll like make your twist bigger. But this actually ended up being the exact, you know, size I would pretty much want for the twist that I usually go for with my hair. So what I'm gonna do is twist it up the way that I usually would twist it, and that would be using this Curl Lala. You can buy that at Target, on Jackie's, whatever you want to call it. You can get that from there. So I'm finna go use that real quick, mixing it with this. One more thing I forgot. So what I'll do first is I'll grab some of the Curl Lala, and I'll put that in first. I'll massage that in. That's why I get to this, the main part you came for. And these are the results of it. I would normally just go in like a circular motion in one area. I would stay there for about, I'd say 30 seconds to a minute. Make sure you get it twisted out all the way. And once you get it to, let me see if I can get it on one side just so you can see the difference. It don't look that good right now. Yeah. I'm finna go ahead and go through it real quick so that you can see how the results come out. But pretty much I just go in like a circular motion. Make sure that you stay the same direction throughout your whole head. Usually just to keep it moisturized, I throw some mane and tail conditioner in there. After I throw a little bit of that in, I twist it up a little more. And after that, that's pretty much it as far as the result. yeah, that's pretty much it. I would say that it's a really useful thing to have. It's better than having one of those big brushes we gotta hold like that and be twist around and all that. It's pretty self-explanatory how the brush works. It's useful. I know I'm using this every day as I grow out my hair. So yeah, this is my first ever review type thing, so I'm still getting used to this. But if you like the video, you can like, subscribe, comment. Also, I'm gonna be putting up some new stuff. So yeah, make sure you do that.